Before the opening bell, U.S. indices they closed mixed on Tuesday, with the Nasdaq closing on the upside, while the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 they managed to close in the red. Now, the combination of retailing, media, as well as tech, hardware, and equipment sectors, they happen to be the best performers on the day. This while the combinations of banks, capital goods, as well as automobiles and components, those sectors, they were the worst performers on the day. This all as 76% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, taking a look at some aftermarket action. We first take a look at Microsoft, which lost some ground after hours as the company expects current quarter sales between 39.6 and 40.4 billion US dollars, slightly below expectations. Moving on, Boeing, the aircraft maker, slightly recovering pre-market, this after posting quarterly earnings that beat expectations. And then we have UPS, the global package delivery company, quarterly adjusted EPS beating estimates as well. Now, taking a look at expectations today, we do have results due out for Visa, MasterCard, as well as Amgen. But on the economic docket today, we do have the release of the 30-year mortgage rate. That's before the opening bell, as well as goods trade balance and wholesale inventories. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That expects a level of 3290. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, intraday does see a watch level at 11,340. As long as the resistance at 11,610 is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 11,340 remains high. Short positions below 11,610 are favored, with targets at 11,340 and 11,240 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones, that sees the downside prevail.